Hit it. Fuck it. Sure enough, I'm the one that gets soaking wet. Sprayed up so much water. Maybe they have their telephone on them? Laugh at him and leave. You're dead, bitch! See ya! Oh man, tire slip. Yeah, right? That's what I was gonna say. We're going the wrong direction. Absolutely. Is this where we started? I would have stopped when I landed there.
No way!
It's more like, ping my bike, I'm out of here. Well, I tried to be a goof and fucking jump that thing, and then I missed and came down the side.
I think you were in there.
Yeah.
Either your bike or you.
Just the look on your face. I'm like, full brake, just like going towards you.
Just brake, why not? Why don't you work?
Oh man, that was fun.
We were cooling fans. Want to get some video going down there?
The hill?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You gotta get it back up to there. That's what I was gonna say. I had to let Sam get all the way to the bottom before I went because I didn't want to catch him. I need a gear low. Not in it. Look out, bitches! Oh, you can't. Fuck that. I don't think this is designed. You're going down that? You're nuts if you're going down that.
Why not?
Well, I'm gonna watch you die.
I'm not going on that. If you do though, you got a straight shot. I mean, slow
Right. There's nothing in the way.
Yeah, there's just death. Hit it.
All those trees, just steer for those. That's all you gotta do.
They'll fall over and hit 'em.
Yeah, I'm sure.
They'll just slow you down a little bit and stop you.
Just make sure you hit them hard enough.
bend your handlebars.
Do it. Got the camera rolling.
Do ya?
Yep. It's blinking red there. Should be.
Yeah, you're on. It's solid, right? Whatever that means.
Probably on. Thing don't die.
You got it? Oh, you slow down like that at the bottom. A little louder.
That didn't look too bad.
I think you might hit the brakes.
I know if I'm
Going
going.
fast, but I don't think you'd go faster, you know? I'm not gonna do that.
I wouldn't. You can't stop. Well, do we want to ride down there? Is there a trail?